Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a website using Wix in 2026. Step by step, even if you've never built a website before. This beginner's guide is perfect if you want a personal website, business site, or portfolio. You don't know how to code, you want something fast, simple, and professional, or you're completely new to website building. By the end of this video, you will have fully working website online, and you will understand how Wix actually works, not just where to click. Let's get started. So, what is Wix and who is it for? First, let's clarify what Wix is. Wix is a drag and drop website builder that lets you create visually customized layouts without coding, publish sites quickly. Right, Wix is best for beginners, small businesses, personal brands, portfolios, simple online stores. If you want speed and simplicity, Wix is a great choice. Right, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna just hit get started to create our Wix account. Go to wix.com, click get started, and sign up using email or Google. Okay, let's say I'm using Google. Right, and once you're logged in, Wix will ask you a few questions about website type, goals, experience level. Right, answer honestly. This helps Wix customize your setup. So let me allow here access. And right, let me log in. They ask for a permission to access your account. Just give them permission. And if you're new, they're gonna ask you a few questions. But if you're not like me, you're gonna be able to be inside the dashboard in no time. So they're loading my dashboard here, right? And now let's talk about how to build your website. Editor versus AI. Wix gives you two options: Wix Editor, manual control; Wix ADI or AI Builder, which is automatic. For beginners, I recommend using Wix AI. Right? It gives you the design control, better understanding on what or how to create your website, easier customization later. You can edit your website later after the AI creates it. So you don't need manual thing to build a good site. Okay, now hit AI chat, right, and tell them like, I want to create a website. I want to create a website. You can wait, of course, for a few moments, right? Or you can do it manually, right? By going to the setup, right? Or let me explore here. Updates, releases, inspiring website. Okay. Just hit find the right website template. Right. You're gonna wait for a few moments until the AI answers. I can help you find the perfect template for your website. What kind of website are you looking to create? Business, let's say. Oh, excuse me. Business. Yeah. You're gonna wait until the AI answers. And based on that, it says to help you find the best business template, what type of business do you have or what industry are you in? For example, consulting, restaurant, fitness. Let's say fitness. You can always go ahead if you have a site to edit it, right? And now they're gonna give you suggestions on templates you can choose from, right? and you can choose this template to start designing your website, right? So you can see right here, business consultant company, sports and blog products, etc., right? So let's say I want to pick this one, sports blog, right? And you can use this template as your starting point and just hit edit the website. Okay, Wix offers templates for businesses, online stores, blogs, portfolios. Choose the template that matches your goal, looks clean, has simple layout. Don't overthink this. Templates are fully editable later. Now, understand the Wix editor interface. Okay. Once inside the editor, you will see Canvas or your website, left sidebar and tools, top menu, settings. Key tools you will use the most: add elements, text editor, image editor, page manager. Okay, so you don't need to do much here. Everything is visual, no code required. Right? Now, if you want to add a text or something like that, or something of some sort, you're gonna wait until they set up your own website. You may hear some annoying sounds. That's because it takes a little bit of effort to set up your website. So you're gonna wait for a few moments, and you can click right here on the left hand menu. While we wait, you can see the plus button, which you can add like visuals, like social media, email, something like that, email button, or anything basically, right? So yeah, everything is usual, so you can play around it, and you don't need to do much. And here in the picture, you can add like media, right? Maybe you want to add your face. If you're an athlete or anything like that, you could go ahead and add your own face as, the person as the guy who runs this or whatever, right? You could also add some details about your site, right? If you want to use AI, okay? I'm gonna generate site later, okay? You can add sections, right? In these sections, you can add a welcome page, about page, contact, promotion, services, and you're gonna see how the outcome, right? You're gonna see the outcome of it. Also here, the plus button, as we mentioned, where you can go ahead and add text, image, button, strip, okay? Or decorative box, gallery, okay? Or menu and anchor, video, music, social, right? As a social media, social bar at the top, right? So people can reach out. So yeah, you can add a lot, okay? So let's say I want to add edit text. So I'm gonna just double click the text here and just type the guy. So let me add it in capital, excuse me. And you can always change the fonts here, right? The font color, the effect, etc. Can add like this, right? The guy, for example, right? And add characters, line spacing, SEO and accessibility, etc. Right? You can add a lot here. And in the edit add sections, you can add subscribe, promotion, services, clients. If you want to add images, you can go ahead and click this image and remove the background and add something else, right? So let's say I want to remove, or let's keep the background because the background is good actually. Hit the media here, left hand menu, and add a photo studio or create your own videos, okay? You can edit and enhance your images from here, right? Or you can upload your media right here at the top, okay? And if you want to add something from your media, you can just go ahead, drag or drop drag and drop the file, okay? So yeah, Click any image, replace it, resize it, adjust position. Tips for beginners: keep fonts simple, use readable text sizes, avoid too many colors. Clarity beats creativity. Okay. Now you can add new sections and elements as we mentioned before. Okay. Right here on the left hand menu, you can add new elements and new section. Right. Like about, services, contact, gallery. You can also add buttons, forms, social media. We've been over through this, right? You can also create pages, which is very important. Every website needs multiple pages. To add pages, open the pages menu. Yeah, there's a pages menu here, and you can add a menu item, right? Or add a new page, excuse me, right? And add, that's basically what's in that new page, right? Like home, about, contact. Optional, you can add services, portfolio, blog, etc. Keep your menu simple. Okay. Now make the site mobile friendly. In Wix, switch to mobile view right here. You can see desktop mode. You can switch to a mobile mode. So, right, you're gonna see how it looks like on mobile. Okay. Right. So, yeah, this is that outcome exactly. So you can adjust spacing, resize text and images. Mobile editing is separate, so don't skip it. A site that looks good on desktop but bad on mobile will lose visitors. Okay. Now, you can always set up a contact form to allow visitors to contact you. Add a contact form. So I'm gonna go ahead to the desktop mode and add menu here. Yeah, sections here, contact, and add how they will reach you out. So let's say I want to add the details here. You're gonna see the address, phone number, email, the connect. You can also click each social media individually to set links. Okay, for Facebook, you can add a link. For Twitter, link, LinkedIn, and Instagram. So this is essential for beginner businesses, freelancers, or personal brands. So always test your form. Okay. You can also add basic SEO settings, which is the beginner friendly. Before publishing, add a site title, right? So you can connect the domain or change the domain to something else. Okay. So add the site title, page titles, and meta descriptions. Wix makes this simple. You don't need advanced SEO yet, just clarity. Okay. Also connecting a domain, which we mentioned just now. Use a free Wix subdomain or connect a custom domain. Custom domains look more professional, but you can add more later. Don't let this stop you from launching. Okay. Now what you're gonna do? You're gonna just peer review your website. Right. Click preview and click through every page. Test buttons and check mobile view. So switch to mobile. Right. Switch to mobile here. So, yeah, pretend you're a visitor and fix anything confusing. And if you like what you see, just hit publish at the top, right? And choose your domain option. Congratulations, your website is now live. This is a big step, okay? Avoid overloading pages with content, using too many fonts, ignoring mobile view, waiting for the perfect design, not publishing at all. A live website beats a perfect draft. What to do before or after publishing? After launch, share your website, update content regularly, improve based on feedback, add new sections over time. Okay, website evolve. They're never finished. So building a website with Wix in 2026 is one of the easiest ways to get online, especially for beginners. No coding, no technical stress, just clear ideas and simple execution. Your first website doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to exist. So This beginner's guide helped you. Like the video, subscribe, and comment below if you want Wix SEO, Wix e-commerce, or Wix AI tutorial next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.